Hey guys, this is my copycat version of my favorite Stouffer's frozen pasta of all time. And they discontinued it, oh gosh, probably over 20 years ago, maybe more. I was so sad when they discontinued it, but it's probably just as well that they did because I probably would have ballooned up to 350 pounds eating this stuff. This is my copycat version of Stouffer's Noodles Romanov, and it's different from every other Noodles Romanov. I haven't seen too many people on YouTube do it, but none of them do it like this. Even the vegan ones don't do it like this. This is as close to the copycat, as close to the real thing as I could possibly get, especially that it, has been veganized. But because I'm so fussy about being as close as possible to my copycat recipes, this is made with broken linguine because the original Stouffer's had short noodles that were not as wide as fettuccine, and they certainly weren't egg noodles. So I broke my linguine, boiled it according to package directions, and mixed it with the homemade cheddar cheese sauce, homemade sour cream, homemade cottage cheese, homemade butter, homemade cashew milk, and it's seasoned with salt and pepper and paprika and onion powder, and it's got dried minced onions in the sauce that get cooked in. And it is baked in the oven, covered for 40 minutes at 375. And then I uncover it, sprinkle a bunch of Parmesan cheese on top. This happens to be Violaf because my Parmesan still isn't ready. It's still not dry enough to grate or shred. So let me break into this. Of course, I already know it's good because I tasted it before I stuck it in the oven, but I will try some now. Probably gonna have to blow on it a little. Okay, it's still a little hot. I don't think I burned the roof of my mouth, but it's just so good. The whole combination. I mean, I don't know what. Oh gosh, I can see the steam. I don't know what makes it the best. What you could leave out of it: the paprika, the onion powder, the sour cream. It's all so good. You guys have to try this. It's just absolutely, it's rich and delicious. I don't make it very often because it's so darn rich, but it's a real treat. And don't leave anything out. Even the cottage cheese. Although I think most of the cottage cheese kind of melted in. It's not necessarily supposed to, but that's okay. It's still really, really good. So the recipe will be on the blog, and I will link to it in the description, along with the link to the previous video, and the link to the Using Homemade Vegan Dairy Foods and Recipes playlist, and links to the videos for all the cheeses and other dairy that I used in this recipe. So thank you for watching. Thank you to all the people who give me thumbs ups. And I'll see you later, guys.